help you?
Yes, please. I would like a loaf of white bread, a dozen eggs and milk.
Sure. How much milk would you like?
I'd like 2 cartons of milk.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, a small bag of flour and a bottle of oil.
What kind of oil would you like?
A small bottle of olive oil, please.
Here you are. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all. How much is it?
That's $23.
Here you are.
And here is your receipt.
Could you please give me a bag?
Yes, of course. Here it is. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi.
Hi. What can I do for you?
I would like a bunch of bananas and a kilo of red apples.
I'm afraid we only have green apples left. Is that all right?
Yes. That will be fine.
Anything else?
Yes. Have you got any olives?
Yes, we have both green and black olives. Which do you prefer?
I would like a jar of green olives.
Here you are.
How much does it cost?
It's $10.75.
Here you are.
And here is your change and receipt.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thanks for coming. Bye.
What are we going to buy from the grocery store, Mom?
Let's first go in the produce section to buy fruits and vegetables. This is the produce section. We need tomatoes and carrots.
I would like to buy some oranges. They look so fresh.
Okay, you should put them in a plastic bag. We've run out of cereals, so we need to buy 2 boxes.
Are these okay?
Those are perfect. You can put them into the cart.
Mom, can I buy some chips to have a snack a little later?
I'm afraid not. Chips are not healthy. I am going to bake some cookies later on, so you'll have a great snack.
That sounds wonderful.
Let's go and pick up the ingredients. We need flour, sugar and butter, eggs and raisins. This is the dairy section. Let's take the butter and the eggs.
I would like to buy some yogurt too. Is that okay?
Yes, sure. Put it into the cart.
I'll take 2 cups. Why have we come to the fresh meat section? Do we need to buy anything from here?
Yes, we need chicken, because I want to cook a chicken broth.
Look! This frozen pizza must be delicious.
Please put it back. You'll have a delicious meal at home. Excuse me?
Yes, is there anything I can help you with?
Yes, I am looking for raisins.
Sorry, we're out of raisins at the moment.
I see. What about the brown sugar?
It's at the back, near the bakery section, in aisle 3.
Thank you. I will check there.
You're welcome.
Look, Mom, these items are on sale. They're 25% off.
Yes, that's a very good price. I'll buy this cleaner. Let's go to the checkout now. We have finished shopping. Let's put everything on the counter.
Hello.
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 How would you like to pay? Cash or with credit card?
I'll pay with a credit card.
That's $46.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you, sir?
I bought this packet of cheese a little earlier today and I've just noticed it's rancid, so I would like to return it.
Sure. I'm sorry about that. You'll need to show the receipt.
Yes, I've got the receipt. Here it is.
No problem, here's your money.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.